I'd ask you how it's going, but I think we both know. So. Idiots. All right. Yeah, so the first thing is, in order to test the alternator, we got to get it started, right? So I'm going to test the battery real quick, see what state it's in, and then once I get it started, we'll test the alternator. We got to rev it up and then let it down and rev it up and let it down to see if the alternator's charging. Because if you need a battery, I've got a battery that I can replace it with, brand new from AutoZone, right? So we can put that in. But you know as well as I do, if the alternator's effed, then that's not going to do you any good. That'll get you, 100 miles down the road, and you're going to have the same problem. So.
Would I be able to purchase the battery and go to AutoZone so I can still buy the battery, and then would I still make it to the AutoZone down the road to buy an alternator so I can start working on that?
Yeah, if you needed an alternator, yeah. But either way, yeah. No, man, you're good. Yep, either way. And shit, I'll follow you if I have to make sure you're good. Yeah, no problem. Right. So anytime you stop, it's gonna give you problems. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab my other tester, and I'm gonna put this charger on it. This is a charger / jump starter. Hopefully we'll get enough voltage going where we can we'll jump it and get it turned on, and then we'll test the alternator. If it's not the alternator, I'll pop a new battery in for you, no problem, right? If it is the alternator, then we'll just kind of take it from there. Step on the gas till it goes to 2,500 RPM and just keep it there for a minute. Charging system's good, man. Yeah, your battery's shit, but the battery's dead, but that's okay. Yeah, your alternator's fine. No, man, I'm just trying to help. All right, so you're gonna get a link to pay for it. While you're doing that, I know you've been here a while, so I'm gonna just go start installing it. I'm gonna knock it out for you so you don't have to be stuck here any longer. Okay, yeah, they'll send me a text message in a sec. Oh, I got it. I'm good. No, man, I appreciate you, brother. Thank you, man. All right, man. Yeah, I'm originally from New York, but I've been in Texas for. What about you, man? Where are you from?
I'm from Corpus Christi.
Oh, that's right. You told me that. Yeah.
I'm born and raised over there, man. I work industrial construction. I'm always.
Oh, okay.
I travel here and there for work, but it's definitely the parts. I've been out there to Austin.
Yeah. Almost done, man.
I went to my girl here. It's like, I was thinking that maybe something had on. I was like, well, if the battery's dead, then I mean the alternator. I'm not too mechanically educated, but I was thinking like maybe me driving was just keeping the battery alive. But now that you say that, I could have just died in the.
Yeah, it could have literally just died anywhere, man. Well, you should be able to get to North Dakota now. Your charging system's good. Your battery's good. You should have, unless God forbid, nothing else happens, man. You will be getting North Dakota. I'm sure in at least a day. How long did it say?
21 hours total, but I'm down to like 13 hours and some change.
Gotcha.
So I'm gonna rest probably tonight. I'll probably drive for another 5 hours and then find a close hotel.
Yeah.
And then make it that way, you know.
Hey, go ahead and start it up, man. I just want you to feel confident that it's fixed. So. You should have no issues, brother. You take care, man. God bless you, bro.